Got a townhome here, taking on a 2-ton, putting in a 1.5. Okay, there it is. Reclaiming right now, otherwise that coil would be gone. There's our before. She must have been working good. This is what happens when you are low on refrigerant. Pressure drops below not sure what the pressure is, but at a certain point it gets below freezing. And then any water collecting on the indoor coil turns to ice, and the longer you run it, the thicker it gets. And then we had a little cottonwood. Surefire way to kill your compressor is to run it with that stuff on there. Disconnect had 25 amp fuses, changed them to a 20. Make sure they got that little indentation on the end of them. If you're replacing fuses, that's a slow blow fuse. So it's going to put up with overamping on startup, like the regular ones won't. Alright, sheet metal was done before lunch, and it was tight. We're right up against the transite pipes. I didn't have a record of that when we were making sheet metal last night.
What's the best thing to take this out?
You gotta straighten out that. But we took a risk. We offset everything over to the left 7/8 of an inch, hoping we had that much, and we barely had it. And that allowed the narrower furnace and that gap and the 7/8 offset on that side to equal our 6-inch screw on our new filter boot. Worked out great. Corey's gonna greenfield flex this back. Definitely stick it over that gas pipe though. You don't need to take, oh yeah, just that. So yeah, your switch, you did that right. Just chiseled out this concrete around this liquid line so I can feed a 1/2-inch vinyl tube over that. Hopefully. To protect that from the concrete. Like so. And now we're going to bend these lines to meet my marks on my pad here. And make sure our electric reaches, which doesn't look like it's going to be a problem. And then we'll pull the shraders, wrap the valves, and solder up. We are all soldered in. We're doing a pressure test here at 200 psi on the high and the low side. Right through the coil. We're going to hold this for a little bit. And then I'm going to pull a vacuum, cut the charge loose, and check it out. Always try and plug your high voltage in as soon as you can if you got a saver switch, because those will take your power for 10 minutes when you reinstate them. You know, when you connect them back up to the high voltage. So we'll get the vacuum going and We got her all wrapped up, everything's hung, fresh air, that's patch, drape that back in that corner. We got 0.28 static and cooling.
That's good.
That's only 600 CFM. Checking her out, got the gas pressure set. Static is only 0.24 when we check that. And what was it? I can't remember what it was in the cooling.
0.25 in cooling too is the same as the heat.
No, it ain't. It
was 0.2 something.
I can't remember. Was it really that low? I thought it was higher than that.
Only 3 drives.
It sure looks like it. A pencil?